In today's video, I'm going to teach you Airtable copy paste. We'll walk through the simple process of copying and pasting data inside Airtable in a way that's quick, accurate, and easy to manage. This is especially useful when you're updating records, duplicating information, or moving data from one part of a table to another without having to type everything again manually. To begin, open your Airtable table in Grid View. Grid View is the best place for this because it displays your records in a spreadsheet style layout, making it much easier to select, copy, and paste data cleanly. Before you continue, take a second to make sure you're in the correct table and looking at the right set of records. Next, select the cell, row, or column you want to copy. If you only need one piece of information, click directly into that single cell. If you want to copy an entire row or a full column, select that section carefully so you bring over exactly the data you need. Being precise at this stage helps avoid mistakes later, especially if your table contains different field types or important records. Once your selection is ready, copy the data using Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. This places the selected content on your clipboard so it's ready to be inserted somewhere else. If you're copying a larger section, it's a good idea to pause for a moment and make sure the correct range was selected before moving on. Now choose your destination by clicking the cell where you want to paste the data. This is an important step because Airtable will paste starting from the cell you select. In other words, the location you click becomes the top left starting point for the pasted content. Make sure there's enough space and that you're not about to overwrite information you still need. Then paste the data by pressing Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. Airtable will insert the copied content into the selected area. If you copied multiple cells, rows, or columns, they should flow into the corresponding space automatically. After pasting, check the format to make sure the data matches the correct field type. For example, text should go into text fields, dates should appear correctly in date fields, and linked or special fields may need extra attention. This helps keep your table organized and functional. Finally, review the copied records for any errors. Look for misplaced values, formatting issues, or anything that didn't transfer as expected. A quick review at the end can save you time and prevent confusion later. And that's how to copy and paste data in Airtable efficiently and accurately.